In this video, I am going to show you 5 different apps that will put money in your pocket every day and within 24 hours without spending a dime, from completing surveys to selling photos on your smartphone. Stick till the end to learn about this unique method for making money. Number 1. 1Q. How about making money by simply answering questions? You will be doing it right from your phone whenever you've got a spare moment. 1Q or 1Q.com throw questions your way, and for each response, you pocket 25 cents. Now, it might not sound like a fortune, but it takes mere seconds to answer each question, so those quarters add up faster than you'd think. Sometimes you will be offered a survey-type opportunity with multiple questions. For example, if you are given a 4-question survey, that's an easy $1. You can also opt to receive questions via text messages. Having said that, let me tell you the exact process you need to follow. The first step is to sign up with your email, and the next step is to simply start answering questions. After answering questions, you will immediately get paid in your PayPal account. Number 2, Survey Junkie. When you sign up for Survey Junkie, you will earn 50 bonus points right off the bat just by entering your name and logging into your Survey Junkie homepage. Now, the process of making money from this survey website is pretty simple. The platform operates on a point system, with each point equivalent to a cent. Now, many people believe that it is a survey website. However, it isn't just limited to surveys. It opens doors to free product trials, live user groups, and one-on-one phone calls for market research. These additional opportunities, while rare, have the potential to boost your earnings significantly, with some ventures offering up to $100 each. Tasks like taking surveys, filling out your profile, or incorporating an internet browser extension all contribute to your point balance. The real magic happens when your points stack up. Hit the 1,000 points mark equivalent to $10, and you're ready to cash out. Whether you prefer cash through PayPal, gift cards, or a direct transfer to your bank account, Survey Junkie ensures your earnings are accessible on your terms. Here, it is important to note that this website offers you surveys that align with your interests and preferences. Obviously, it will keep tailoring the surveys as you spend more time on the website. I have personally used this platform, and after dedicating an average of 30 minutes per day to Survey Junkie, I have concluded that you can earn about $3.5 to $4 per hour. The more I engaged, the more lucrative the opportunities became. Number 3, TryMyUI. On TryMyUI, your opinions could earn you a cool $10. Well, this website usability testing platform lets you earn by providing feedback on apps and websites. And the best part is that TryMyUI has partnered with companies like Amazon, NBC, and British Airways. Having said that, let me tell you the exact process you need to follow to earn money through TryMyUI. The first step is obviously to sign up and create your profile. You will need to provide your full name and email address. And keep in mind that the email address should be the same one linked to your PayPal account for seamless payments. Then complete a set of questions to build a demographic profile. This helps TryMyUI match you with tests that align with your background. Once you're accepted into the program, you start getting test opportunities based on your demographic profile. Remember, tests are limited and work on a first-come, first-served basis. So keep an eye on your emails, and whenever you receive an email, claim your test quickly, and you're on your way to making money. Now comes a crucial but sometimes misunderstood step. To participate in tests, you'll need to download the TryMyUI recorder. This software allows you to submit tests and provide feedback. Test requirements may vary, but generally, you'll be asked to submit a video of your device's screen. Speak out loud about your impressions as you navigate through outlined tasks. After that, a post-test survey with a handful of questions awaits your input. And when the client accepts your test, the money is yours, which will be deposited to your PayPal account every Friday. Number 4, Mindswarms. Now, we are talking about another survey website. However, with Mindswarms, you'll be expressing your thoughts through video responses. The first step is to complete your profile and unlock surveys. Once you're logged in, make sure your profile is complete. Keep in mind that this step is crucial as it helps match you with surveys tailored to your background. Now, there are 2 types of surveys to choose from: the 1-question survey and the multiple-question survey. You don't need to worry about qualifying because all presented surveys are ones you're already eligible eligible for. Simply apply to the ones that catch your eye. During the application process, answer a few multiple-choice questions related to the survey. Submit your responses, and within 24 hours, a researcher will review your application. Keep in mind that you can only apply once for each survey. If accepted, you'll need to record video responses to the survey questions. Have a microphone and webcam ready if you're on a desktop or laptop. For mobile users, the built-in camera and microphone will do the job. Mindswarms even offers a handy app for video recording convenience. Remember, the questions may involve discussing a specific product, so ensure you have it handy. Answer each question thoughtfully while recording your video. Your part is done. Now, the Mindswarms team will review your video responses. Once approved, the promised reward will be credited directly to your PayPal account. Well, Mindswarms offers $10 for a one-question survey and $50 for a multiple-question survey. If you completed 10 of these multiple-question surveys, you would make $500 per day. And then there is another way to earn money through Mindswarms. If you refer a friend to the platform and they sign up, you'll receive a reward. Number 5. Foap. If you have good photography skills, Foap is the best app for you. It can help you earn profit by letting you sell your photos to businesses and well-known brands worldwide. Whether it's for product advertisements, websites, or company brochures, your images could be just what potential buyers are seeking. After joining the Foap platform, you simply need to upload photos directly from your smartphone. Once uploaded, your images become available for sale. And here's the beauty. You can sell the same photo multiple times. Now, you need to keep in mind that Foap missions are your golden ticket to earning big. Well-known brands like Pepsi, MasterCard, Nivea, Volvo, and Bank of America organize these photo challenges. The mission brief specifies the kind of images they're after, and your task is to submit your best shots. If chosen, you get paid. Even if you don't win, companies often purchase other submitted photos. Now, talking about the earning potential on Foap, it pays $10 for each photo you upload to your profile and sell on the marketplace. Yes, you read it right. Each photo. Foap takes a 50% commission, leaving you with $5 per sale. But the real money lies in Foap missions. Winning a mission can earn you a prize starting at $50, and you have the potential to pocket hundreds of dollars. And obviously, all payments are made via PayPal. So, online miners, although these apps will help you add extra cash to your pocket, I highly suggest that you start a proper online business to achieve financial freedom. One such business model is affiliate marketing, and I have explained it in one of my recent videos. The link is given in the description box below, and I will see you there. Take care and stay tuned.